What if a fictional story written in 1838 turned into a real life horror nearly 50 years later? This is the chilling case of Edgar Allan Poe's eerie prediction that came true in the most disturbing way possible. In 1838, legendary writer Edgar Allan Poe published his only full-length novel, The Narrative of Arthur Gordon Pym of Nantucket. The book was an intense, dark adventure following a young stowaway Arthur Pym who finds himself aboard a whaling ship only for disaster to strike. At one point in the novel, the shipwreck survivors are left adrift in the ocean, starving and desperate. With no other options, the crew decides they must sacrifice one among them to be eaten, and their chosen victim, a young cabin boy named Richard Parker. At the time, this was just a gruesome work of fiction. But what happened nearly 50 years later would turn this story into something truly disturbing. Fast forward to 1884. The yacht Mignet set sail from England to Australia with 4 men on board, including a cabin boy named Richard Parker. Disaster struck in the middle of the ocean when a storm gripped the ship, leaving the survivors stranded in a tiny lifeboat. For days, they drifted, starving, dehydrated, and hopeless. And then, history repeated itself in the most horrifying way possible. With no food left, the desperate sailors made a ghastly decision. They would have to sacrifice one of them to survive. And who did they choose? Richard Parker. Just like in Poe's novel, the young cabin boy was killed and cannibalized. Even more disturbingly, this was not a common event. Cannibalism at sea had happened before, but this case was nearly identical to the book written decades earlier. Same circumstances, same method, same name. The eerie identical details, a shipwreck, starvation, cannibalism, and even the same name, have left historians and literary experts baffled. Could Poe have foreseen the future, or was this just an unbelievable coincidence? Even creepier, some believe Poe's writings were so dark and mysterious that they somehow influenced real events. Could his mind have tapped into something beyond our understanding? If you love this mind-blowing mystery, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creepy and unexplained stories. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.